up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Lizzie Betsy and I want to appreciate everybody that saw my last video, that watched my last video and that subscribed to my channel, and also that commented on it. So feedbacks I got, thank you very much. I'm definitely working on it. This is life, people, we are all trying to learn, so thank you very much, and I do take all those things to heart. Trust me, I do appreciate all of those feedbacks and I'm definitely working on it. We are all learning, right? So let's just get straight to the tutorial. And I'll say what I did was I did a screen record over. I used this app and what I created with it, and then I did a voiceover on it. So I'll see you guys after. So the first thing is to download PicsArt, Phonto and Eraser. I use an iPhone, so I downloaded it on App Store, but if you use an Android, you can go to Google Play Store and download this. And then you launch your PicsArt app. So select the middle button and go to all photos to select your picture. Then you click on cutout and click on person. Restore and erase as you want. If there is any part that has not been captured, then you can restore. But if there's a part that has been captured and you do not want, you can erase. So you save that. Then the next thing is to go to fit and you put the picture on a white background. You can adjust the size of the picture as you want. So the next thing is to go to FX and go to magic, and you click on the first option, which is flora, and when you do that you can adjust the picture as you want. So you save that, and next thing is go back again and go to artistic and click on oil painting, and then increase or reduce it to give it the perfect cartoonish design. So the next thing, you save that, you apply that, and you go back to sketch. You click on FX and go back to sketch. Then you click on the first one and adjust the horizontal lines to fit the picture. You change the color to black, and then you adjust and increase as you want. So the next thing is to go to cutout again, so you can remove the picture from the background. You can clean up some parts. You see, I used the eraser to clean up some parts that I do not want. You can also leave this as it gives it some kind of vibe. The next thing is to save this on your phone, and then go back to the app and select that picture again and go to fit, and then you go to fit again and put it on the white background. You can adjust and reduce as you want. So the next thing is go to stickers. Go to stickers and type in dripping effect. Dripping effect. So you click on the white and black dripping effect and adjust it to the size of the picture itself. So you go to blend and click on lighten for it to blend to the background to the white background. Then you adjust as you want. You can adjust it to move up a bit, and then you can leave it like this. You can also adjust it downward. Then you save the picture, this on your phone. Then the next thing is to go to the eraser app and select that photo you just saved and click on erase and click on target area and remove the white part, the white background, and then you save on your phone. You launch your Phonto app and click on plain images and click on the white background and click on the top sign and click on use, then add item. You can select any item you want, any shape that you want, depends on what you want to fit your pictures in. Then you can increase the size, you can change the color, anyhow you want it. Then you add image. The image you just saved, you can add it to it. You can increase the size, you can turn it around, you can move it anyhow you really want it. It's all about your creativity, guys. Then you click outside the box, outside the white background. You can add text, then you can type in whatever the name of your brand or to name your username or something. If you use it for your Instagram, so you can type it in. You can also change the style, the strokes, the text style, the strokes. You can do anything you want with it. So you do this, then you swipe to the right and click on curve, so which can increase the curve. So you save that on your phone. So that's all about it. Then you go to Eraser app and select that photo and delete the background again. So that's how to get your logo for anything you want to use it for. I hope you guys learned one or two things from that tutorial. When it comes to tutorial, it's all about learning the basics and then you add your own creative mind to it. So I hope you guys will be able to add your own spice to it, and then you can share with me when you are done with it and let me see what you have done. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my videos, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys some other time. Bye.